Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So
Good
guys,
morning.
Good morning.
yeah, great. So we'll start today sharp, guys. Okay, so let's not waste the time. It's coming. Some message is coming. Let me check. Fine. Fine, fine. Not much options here. That's okay. Okay, for now, let's not worry about that. So we'll start today's session. So guys, unable to hear me? So guys, type in the chat if you are able to hear me. Yes. If you're not able to hear me, say no. Looks like everyone is able to hear me. So maybe the problem at your end, whoever is facing the problem. Abhi, check from your side. Looks like everyone is able to hear me. Okay, great. Good. So I'll quickly share my screen. Hope you guys are able to see my screen. Confirm, guys. Confirm in the chat. Yes, you guys are able to see my screen also. Fine, great. That's good. So what next? We'll start with the session. So I'm going to, yeah, recording is automatically started. I've checked it. Okay, the recording has started. So let's. See, I can access this notes or not. Guys, hope you are able to see my notes, right? Yes, yes, correct. Great, great. Good energy, guys. Keep doing that. Okay. Just keep typing. When I ask you the questions, keep typing. That will, make you guys focused and active. Fine, great. Introduction to Selenium, and this is the session one. It's mostly a theory, guys, but it's very important. So before we start any practical sessions and all, right, we need to have the knowledge of Selenium in the form of introduction. So this thing will give you a roadmap, actually, okay, what we are going to learn and all, okay, in the coming days. First, you need to understand the difference between manual testing and automation testing. Okay, you need to understand the difference between manual testing and automation testing. So what is manual testing? What is automation testing? Let me explain that now. Manual testing. This side I'll write down automation testing. So what is the difference? First, let me give you the difference. It's very simple, guys. Most of the people may already have known what is the difference between manual and automation. Here in manual testing, direct person or software tester will perform the testing. So direct person or software tester will directly perform the testing. So if I have to explain it more better way, you see there is a machine. It may be a computer or laptop or whatever the device or whatever it is, where the application is running. And just in front of this laptop or desktop or any device where the testing of the application is being done, a direct person will be sitting, a real person. Okay, you can say a real person who is generally nothing but software tester will be sitting here and using the eyes of this person and hands of the person, this real person will perform the testing. How the real person, just by sitting before the laptop, can do the testing? Let's say this real person is me. Okay, for a while, assume that this particular real person is who? Me. Okay, my name is Arun, right? I am the one who is sitting before the computer. In my case, what is a computer? Whatever the computer screen you are seeing, right? That is nothing but the computer screen. Okay, computer or machine. So what I'm going to do is, as Arun, as a real person, Arun, a software tester and all, I would like to perform testing on application with my own eyes by looking at the screen and look by tracking the application with my own eyes. And I'll take the help of my hands, you know, to type something or to move the mouse in order to do the activities. This actually will come under manual testing. Let me give an example where here here I'll type. I'll just take you to one application, guys. I'll just take you to tutorialsninja.com website. So this application is developed by us. Okay. For us to train you guys properly, we have taken an application. Okay. We have developed an application and hosted it for you guys so that you guys can come here and practice. So the moment you go to this tutorialsninja.com for practicing software testing and whatever all the stuff, you can practice manual thing, you can practice automation thing on this website, up to you. The home page says that for more details, visit this link. You just need to click on this link, guys. That's it. Okay. Then you will be provided with an application. This application, a real-time application, you can say. It is an e-commerce application. So using this application, you can practice software testing, that is manual plus automation. Both you can practice. Okay. This is very good application, guys. Very simple and straightforward application. So this looks like real, right? This real application, if you can do testing as much as possible, or if you can automate this application as much as possible, you'll become an expert. You'll already get one project into your bucket. Okay. By the end of the course, what we are going to do? By the end of this course, we'll master this application in terms of testing it via manual testing plus automation testing. Both. So far clear? Guys, so far clear?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So fine. So this is the application that is going to build confidence in us in terms of software testing. So from the day one, start exploring this application, guys. Some people were asking me, give some activities, right? At the end of the sessions, give some activities they are asking me. So first activity, note it down, guys. So have a book and pen. If not, you can just take 1 minute and just go and bring it out. I can wait. Just type, I'm ready. If you are ready with book and pen and paper or book and paper, book and pen, just type ready. Yeah. I'm going to give the activity, guys. Okay. You guys also have to do your part. These are activity oriented sessions from the day one itself. The actual sessions are starting today. So daily we'll try to figure out one activity, guys. So that will help us in, completing this course faster and, and also you will have some activity in your hand. Ready. Okay. So let's wait for some more time. I want more readies. Great. Everyone is ready. Okay. Just some 20 more seconds. We'll wait for the people to be ready with their pen and book. Most of them are ready now. Maybe one or two people may still have to be ready. Just 15 more seconds. So I'll ping the application URL in the chat box. You can take it from there, guys. Write it, okay? Or write it, guys. Though I'm pinging this, write this URL manually. This after going there, what you have to do? After visiting this application, you guys have to click on this link. Then you will be taken to the real application where you have to perform testing, right? That thing you write it down. Then under that, write down something known as activity for today. That is, you can give the date and all. 13th December 2023, you can write down, and activity you write it down now with the help of your pen in the book or paper. You just write down saying that task one is exploring this application. What is the task? Type in the chat, guys. What is the task? Exploring the application. ETA. You can write in short form in the chat. ETA. You don't want to write the entire words. ETA you write down. Exploring the application. ETA. Yes. So this is your task one, guys. Just it will register in your mind if you type here. That's the reason I'm asking you guys to type in the chat every time. It will get registered in your mind. Okay. It will remember. You will remember it. You will not take it light when you type here. I'm not giving any instructions how to explore the application and all. Just go to this. It's very simple, guys. These days, everyone uses Flipkart application, Amazon application, right? To purchase the items and all. But we generally use the applications in perspective of who? In perspective of a end user. A user who want to purchase some item for his or her needs. We generally approach applications like Amazon.in, Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, etc., Myntra, and all those stuff. All are e-commerce applications only. Similarly, this application is also an e-commerce application. Okay. So the way Flipkart.com is there, the way Amazon.in is there. Similarly, this is also another application. Okay. You may be having some idea, right? In and out idea of some applications, right? So what you guys have to do is you have to explore not just this one application. You're going to explore two other applications also. Okay. That is write down. First application to explore activity one. What is the application? tutorialsninja.com/demo application that hope everyone has noted down in their notebook. The second application you guys are going to explore now. Okay. While the sessions are going on, the activities also should go in parallel, guys. Okay, you have to take care of these activities. This for your good only. I'm not going to push you guys, like whether you have done the homework or not, whether you have done the activity or not. I'm not here to push you out. So with self-interest, you guys have joined this session. So with the same interest, you try to complete the activities. If you have any doubts, you can ask me later. Okay, that's how it works. Second application, make a note. Application to explore, flipkart.com. So explore this application, entire application. Try to find out each and every option in this application, guys, from top to bottom. Okay. Even this footer options also don't leave it. Okay. Each and every option you try to explore. Similarly, after that, try to explore flipkart.com. Another application you have to explore is each and every payment option, each and every shipping options, each and every product category. Try to explore like anything. It will take time, I understand. Okay. You'll not be able to finish this in 1 or 2 days because Flipkart is so complex that there are a lot of functionalities here. Become a seller. What is this? Cart. What is this? Login. How many options are there? Rewards, gift cards, wish list, orders, Flipkart Plus Zone, my profile. Okay. As an end user, try to understand these things. It will be useful for you also. Okay. You'll get a lot of domain knowledge by exploring the applications, categories, advertisements. Okay. Best mobile, how the options are coming here, top deals. A lot of things are there. Feature brands are there. What are feature brands actually? Just Google search and find it out. This is very important, guys. Okay. This is very important. Fashion bestsellers. You see, fashion they are focusing. Okay. That's the reason they have put it here. Top selling smartphones. You see how they are marketing. The marketing you can understand from marketing perspective how they are doing. Okay, how what people are actually buying from the flipkart.com more. Okay, you see how good the products they are showcasing here. You will get once you visit the website you will feel that okay, let's purchase this. Okay, that kind of marketing they are doing, right? So something different they are trying to achieve here. So that you understand, but here you see you will not see that much amount of marketing on this demo application that we are trying to explore. But in Flipkart you will see a more realistic thing. Try to explore the entire Flipkart from end bottom to start to bottom, guys. Okay. Similarly, next you go to Amazon.in. Third task. Task one itself, third application. What is the third application? Amazon.in. Go to Amazon.in and explore here also. The way you explored Flipkart.com. Explore Amazon.in. Don't think that you will complete this activity in the first day itself. Today itself, you will not be able to complete this activity. Take 1 week of time, no problem. Even attach weekends to this. You see, today is Wednesday, right? Thursday, you start today. Exploring this application, you start today. 14th, Thursday. 15th, Friday. You'll have 3 days. Along with that, if you are unable to complete this exploring of the applications, finish by Sunday. Type in the chat, Sunday EOD, you have to complete. Type in the chat, Sunday EOD. The exploring of these applications end to end should be completed by when? Sunday EOD.
Arun?
Yes.
Arun, you mean exploring is the number of option buttons, checkbox, drop
Yeah,
down like
that's
that?
it. For example, I'll give you a real time thing. If I take you to one museum nearby, let's say Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad, and ask you to explore, what you will do? You will go into the entrance and start exploring each and every room that is there in the Salarjung Museum where different artifacts are there, like history related stuff is there. Each and every item you will explore, right? Because that is a very big area. You have to check each and everything. What Salarjung Museum is showcasing, how the Salarjung Museum is showcasing the different artifacts from the history point of view, right? So that we will explore, right? Same way here also, it's not like you are exploring as an end user, rather you are exploring in a detailed view where each and every option you are focused about. Okay, what is this currency? Earlier as an end user, you will not focus on currency. Now, currency, what is happening? Try to explore. Change it to this pounds. Change it to US dollar. How the application is behaving. Try to explore that. First, just at a high level, virtually go through the application. Each and every option you try to click and see. Then each and every option you focus later on. Okay? Got some idea?
Yes.
Okay, fine. This application also end to end, each and Learn about it. Google search, guys. Okay, I don't have to explain everything. I'll try to explain as much as possible, but your effort is also required. Explore each and every. You see, when I say Flipkart, they are marketing here. You see, Explore Place. This is not their logo, but they would like to market something Explore Place so that more people will opt for this Explore Place and use the Flipkart.com for their benefits. That's where they are writing Explore Place here. So what is this Explore Place? Figure it out. Google search. Go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube if required. For example, if I take you to YouTube, youtube.com and search for Flipkart Explore Place, what's coming? Let's see. Flipkart. I'll type Flipkart guys. Flipkart Explore Place. So like this, each and every option you can explore, guys. Okay. You see, there are some informations provided. The different people are providing different things about this Explore Place. Let's say Flipkart Lite Explore Place, fake or real. Customer care number. A lot of things are there. Just figure it out, okay? All about Flipkart Explore Place. This looks good for me. It's in Hindi, but you can find appropriate language and all, okay? So here you got some information about Explore Place, right? Because Flipkart is there in the market from long time. So this option is done. Once you understand what is that feature all about, then move on to the next one. For example, become a seller. Flipkart, become a seller. Like this, you can take the help of YouTube and Google search also, okay? Flipkart seller, how to become a seller. What is this seller all about? How to sell on Flipkart. Go through this video and understand. Okay? Go through this video and understand. Until you get a clarity, you can have to keep on Google search. Here, Flipkart. Become a seller. So they'll take you to the website page of Flipkart where all the information about what is Flipkart seller is all about. Try to, okay? Understand from here whatever the information they have provided. This is the work you have to do. For each and every option that you see on these websites, you have to search and find it out. Okay? For example, if you are trying to explore checkout, so type checkout in the Google. And what is checkout means? Checkout means a point at which goods are paid for in a supermarket or similar store. What is called checkout? Like that, you try to find out the meanings. Okay. So I am giving you a lot of time for this activity. So you do it. Is it now clear, everyone? Just type clear in the chat or see in the chat if you're clear. Either clear or see. Clear, clear. Great. So these are not recorded sessions, right? These are not just for recording. These are live sessions. You are attending live with me. You are attending live classes. These classes are going to be definitely different from just recorded sessions. Okay. You may be purchasing some courses here and there. That will be different. This kind of live sessions will be different. We'll be interacting more. I'll be pushing more. You will be given some activities. These are kind of different. Okay. Fine. So great.
Sir, your voice was not coming. Sir, your voice was not clear. Like there was some problem on my side, I think. So
Okay.
you told to explore Amazon and Flipkart both, sir, and this QA Fox website also.
This website also, tutorialsninja.com/demo, QFox website also. 3 applications.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Total 3. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
In and out. Okay. You see, I cannot give a statement that explore this much, explore that much, explain only this much. Like that, I cannot give you the instructions. I would like to take this upon your capability. To what extent you guys can explore, that's up to you. I'm not limiting it. Okay. At basic level, you will explore, you will be the loser, right? I want you guys to explore this in and out. Treat yourself like a scientist who is discovering something on these websites and explore each and every aspect of the websites. That's what you have to do. Okay? Understood? Type U in the chat if you understand this activity. The fruits will come later, guys. Don't worry. Okay? Whatever the activity is, blindly follow. You'll get the fruits later. Great, great. Good energy, guys. Keep going. Right. Then fine. So let's move on to the actual part. Okay. The activity part is over anyhow for today. Manual and automation testing difference I am providing. So I told you, right, assume that I am the real person who is sitting before the computer machine and this is the application that is there in my computer screen, right? that whatever the screen you are seeing, whatever the screen I am sharing, that is my laptop. Okay. So how can I perform manual testing? By looking at the screen on my laptop with my eyes, I can see there is a URL, there is a logo, there is a search box field, there is a search button, there is some zero items, cart item. Okay. So there are some images scrolling here and there. Featured products are coming, logos are coming, footer options are coming, and so on, so on, so on. Right? By using my eyes, because I can see the things, right? Visually, I can see what's happening on my screen of the laptop. And what are the other things I have to take the help of? My hands to type something, to move my mouse and select some options here. For example, I would like to test the search functionality of this application in a manual way. What I will do first, starting with what I will do is, first I need to open the browser manually, right? I have to move my mouse here with my hands and click on this, left click on the mouse with the help of my finger, and this browser will open. Everything is happening manually. Right here, I'll type the URL of the application, tutorials ninja.com. You can go to the home page and click on that, landing page and click on that, link, or you can, if you remember after few times, if you are able to access it directly, /demo. If you are not getting the URL properly, go to the tutorialsninja.com and then click on the link. Press enter. You'll be on the home page or landing page, whatever you call. And now I would like to test you see, I type the URL manually in this browser also using my hands with the help of keyboard keys. I type the URL. Now I'm clicking with the help of my mouse. I'm clicking inside the search box field and I'm typing a product name HP. This is happening manually, guys. I'm typing with, with my hands, with my keyboard on my laptop. I'm typing this manually. Again, I'm moving my mouse. Observe that each and every activity I'm explaining so detailed, right? Click on the search button. What happened? Whatever the product I gave with that keyword, with that name, the search has happened. And in the search results, what I got? Whatever the product I was looking for, HP LP3065 product got displayed in the search results. Visually, I can confirm that. Visually, when I click on this HP and click on the search button. So how I am testing? When I search for HP, if HP product is coming, is my test passed or failed? Is my search test passed or failed? Can I visually confirm that the test is passed or not? Type P if passed. Type P in the chat. If you say that it's passed, right? It's passed, guys. It's passed, right? So did I perform manual testing? Type S. If you think that I have performed manual testing, type S. YES or yes. Small letter S also is fine. No problem. Manually, right? Correct. Great. So this is what is called as manual testing. Simple words. Okay? You don't have to complicate it anymore. Then what about automation testing? What about automation testing, guys? In automation testing, here there will be a laptop. There will be a laptop and a real person. It's not compulsory for the real person to sit before the laptop or computer machine or whatever the device that you are performing testing. Rather, we'll take the help of an automation in place of the real person. Who is there? Automation tool. Who is there, guys? In place of the real person, here real person is like me is there. Whereas here in this case of automation testing, what is there? Real person is there or automation tool is there? Tool is there. Type T in the chat box. T. Type T. Tool. Tool. Okay. By typing right, it will register in your mind. Okay. Be interactive, guys. Okay. This is an interactive session. Let's take advantage of this interactivity. Tool will be there. Automation tool will be there. AT or T. Anything you can type in the chat. That's fine. Okay. So here automation tool will be performing the testing. Here real person will be performing the testing. So in automation testing, on behalf of a software tester or real person, an automation tool will be performing the testing. That is called as automation testing. Whereas in manual testing, direct real person will be performing the testing in a manual way. Fine. So fine. So just to show you one thing. So here there are a lot of automation tools available in the market, guys. Few examples I'll give. Selenium is one famous tool. or most popular open source free automation tool that is there in the market. That is the reason we are here, right? You are learning Selenium automation with me. Selenium is one such kind of tool. Apart from Selenium, we have UFT, Test Complete. Okay, many automation tools. Cypress, Tosca. Okay, then you can type in the chat if anyone have any idea of different automation tools knowledge. You can type their names in the chat. Yes, Playwright, Microsoft Playwright, right? Great, Abhi. Playwright. Next, anyone want to? Yes, Appium. That is also another automation tool. That's correct. Appium. Then Scala is a different thing. Yeah, rest assured is some kind of automation only. But let's write it down. Catalan Studio, right? Correct. Catalan Studio. Yesterday itself, I got an article for review actually. So I don't know whether I can open it here or not. I'll just do something. Performing the testing. Let's go to the notes and cover it up. Performing the testing without using any tools is known as manual testing. Here, a tester or real person will do the testing with his own or eyes and bare hands. Okay. Automation testing. A tool will be performing the testing. An automation tool will be performing testing. The tool can be Selenium tool or EFT tool, Test Complete tool, Cypress tool, Tosca tool, Playwright tool, Appium tool, Rest Assured or Catalan Studio, etc., etc., etc. Okay, great. Go to LinkedIn. Fine. I'll show you the list of tools anyhow. So apart from whatever we have listed on there, how can a tool perform testing? Is a question. How can an automation tool perform testing on behalf of a real person or software tester? In manual testing, a real or software tester is performing the testing. But how can an automation tool replace a software tester and bypass him to perform the testing on behalf of a software tester in place? How can an automation tool take his or her place? I'll tell you now. Okay. So let me click on this Eclipse ID. Heads up, I'll give heads up, guys. Don't worry if you're not understanding anything. You're not getting anything. Don't like what I mean to say is just watch this whatever the thing that I'm going to show you at a high level, guys. Okay, you don't have to know all this stuff, but just to create a roadmap or just to have a foresight of the things that are going to come in the coming days, I'm doing this. Later part, right? I'll show you how to install this Eclipse ID, how to launch the Eclipse ID, how to write the code inside the Eclipse ID, how to write Java code inside this Eclipse ID, how to write Selenium automation code inside this Eclipse ID, how to run the automation code from Eclipse ID. Everything will come later. For now, just observe. Okay, just for an example, to explain the answer for this question, how can a tool perform testing? I'm going here. Just wait. Maybe there is some sample script already there. Guys, can you see the code here on the code that is already written in Eclipse ID editor? Type yes. Type yes. You are able to see. Type yes. Type yes, guys. Right. You are able to see, right? So here we have some code written. Who has written this code? Is it auto-generated? No, right? I have written this code manually. If you want me to write it again, I will write it again also. So from scratch, I can write. I can show you. Assume that I'm a software tester who has some knowledge in automation testing. Now let me write some code here. I'll just create a file also from scratch. Delete, delete, package, right click, new, class. We'll just name this class as demo class. Demo.java will be created. I would like to auto-generate. If you don't want to auto-generate the code, don't select this option. Click on finish. At least some sample code will be created here. Say package name in which this class is there. Don't worry if you don't understand. You see, I have not written this code. Automatically, it's auto-generated. Public class, the name of the class demo. Inside this, I'll create a main method. Since I'm already aware of Java and Selenium automation, I can write this public static void main string of args. Then here I have to write some Java code or Selenium automation code. In this case, I'm going to write some Selenium automation code. Chrome, don't worry if you are not able to understand how to write this code because you are not there. This is just for demo purpose. You see, this is like you are taken to a showroom, okay, to showcase a car, but you are not owning it yet. I'm just showcasing it. Okay. Tomorrow you have to drive it, but not today. Like that. Okay. Just be in that view. This is just like demo. Okay. What's happening? Just a small demo I'm doing before you. How it is happening, why it's happening, how I am writing. Don't worry. That will be covered later. There is application. I'll copy this URL, but I'll explain at a high level, guys, this code. You see, this will open the Chrome browser. Don't worry about the code. This part will open the Chrome browser automatically. You don't have to do it manually. This code is nothing but we are giving instructions to our computer saying that when you run this code, you just open the Chrome browser automatically. The Chrome browser will not be opened in maximized mode. In the normal sized mode, it will open. Later, we are asking the program to maximize the browser automatically. Then here, I'll paste the URL. Get command URL. It will open the application URL in the browser. It will open the application URL in the browser. 1 minute. After opening this application URL in this particular browser, what is the next step I have to do? I have to type HP into the search box field. So this process you may not understand. Just see the demo, guys, what I'm doing and all. Okay, at a high level only. Don't worry how this will happen and all. I'll take something and do something here because I'm already aware of. I'm just doing this. Okay, you are also going to do the same thing in the coming days. Not now. This is just a demo, guys. If you don't understand, also not a problem. Just take this as a demo. There's a command here, send keys. In this, whatever the text I provide, that text will get typed into the search box field. Okay. This part will locate the search box field. Into the search box field, whatever the text I will provide, that text will get typed. Now here, into the search box field, HP text will get typed. Now I have to click on this button and inspect this button. Don't worry how to inspect what I'm doing and all. Don't worry about that. Okay. I have to take an, yeah. Don't worry about what I'm doing here. This all will be covered later, guys. Okay. This part is called as locators. I'm creating a locator for locating this button. That will be covered later. Don't worry about that right now. Okay. Is it locating? Yes. Some locator I created, guys. Don't worry about that. How I created and all. This will be covered later for you. You see, on the fly, I was creating a locator here. That how to locate and all, how to create that locator, later part I will cover. Don't get overwhelmed. This is very easy, guys. These things are very easy how to write and all. It will take some time. That's it. Okay. If you are kind of, don't get overwhelmed. This is not the right time to decide by yourself. Okay. Click on the search button. After typing HP, click on the search button. Here I am using, you see in the script, I am using which command? I'm using click command from Selenium to click on the search button. Once search button is clicked, in the search results, I got this product. There is a link here, right click here, inspect. Okay. I'll copy this link text. Don't worry, why I'm copying the text and all. Driver dot find element by dot link text and provide the link text. Just demo, guys. Okay, just demo. Don't worry if you don't understand. Is displayed. So this thing will check whether this particular element is displayed on the page or not. If it is displayed, the test is passed, right? If it is not displayed, the test is failed. So let's write it down. Right click run as, or else if write like this, some code, Java code I'll write. If this will return either true or false. So if it is true, I'll just print it out. In the output, I'll print it out in the Java program saying test passed. Because such, whatever the product we have searched for with this particular HP text got found and test passed. Else, system.out.println, test failed. Okay, run this code. I'm running this code, guys. So hope guys you are aware of, so far clear guys, so far clear. Don't worry about how I have written the code, but you can see my efforts, right? As an automation engineer, it's not that tool will do everything by itself. Still, it needs the efforts of the software tester, right? Have you understood that? The tool cannot work by itself. Tool cannot bypass the software tester by itself. Initially, the automation tester or software tester have to write some code. That efforts are required from the tester. It's not completely that tool came and you are not there. It's not like that. First, we have to write the automation code in the tool. Okay? Type yes if you are clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask me right now.
Arjun?
Yes.
Hi, in this you entered the test send keys as HP. So for the manual testing part, we used to enter, we'll search lot of things, right? Here you mention only HP. See,
Yes.
manual
Yes.
tester, they will positive test case, negative
Yes.
test case. They used to enter different. So that many times we have to write this code, search each.
Yes, yes. You see, that is one test case. Okay. HP with HP is one test case. Another product, another test case. It depends how you create the test cases. In software testing part, right? I'll explain you how to create the test cases. Okay. That test cases only you are going to automate. The planning will be done while you write the test cases in manual testing.
No, her question is, we'll just change the test data. We'll not change the script anyway. So, do we need to write multiple times, or can we use the same script?
If we can use the
For
Exactly.
same script in Java, we have a reusable method kind of reusable methods we can create, right? So we can create some methods. So repeatable code, instead of writing this again and again, we can put this code inside a method and we can call the method later. Okay, like that is there. Okay, you don't have to write the same code again and again.
No, actually, I don't know. Actually, why,
Yeah,
what they
same
asked
question
me
as
is
she
like
asked. That's my doubt.
they
Okay.
need to put like input a different data, right? Suppose now we are searching for HP LP3065. In
Yes.
case in the same script, if you want to test with a different data, so is
Yeah,
that
that is possible.
possible?
Programmatically, we can get it done. Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Programmatically, we can get it done. That will come in the framework part, last part. How to do that? Okay. We're going to implement
Okay,
a framework at the end. I told you, right? Different frameworks. There will take our framework to that level where all these kind of problems will be solved. Clear, guys? Clear? Whoever have got the doubts, right? Just type clear if they got the answer for this question. Type C in the chat. Those three people, two or three people, right? Who has yeah. Just type C in the chat if you got the answer. Otherwise, you can ask me again. If any other doubts are there, just ask me again, guys. No problem. Great. So these doubts, I understand that at this moment you will get the doubts, but let's not worry about that now. The time will come where everything will be in place and everything you will understand. For now, assume that is only one test case we have automated, and you can clearly see that what the software tester has to put the efforts, even though this is the automation tool. In case of this automation testing, a tool will perform the testing in place of the tester. Does that mean that software tester don't have to work at all? What do you think that? Do the software tester have to still work or not to work anymore? In case of automation testing, is there any work for software tester? If there is a work,
yes,
yes. Still, the software tester have to or need to work or should work. Okay, that's correct. That's the correct answer. Okay, though it looks like automation tool is there, software tester no, not in use. It's not like that. Okay, we still have the work to do. We have to write the automation scripts. the way I have done here. That level, if you understand, you don't worry about what I have written here. Okay. Now, apart from that, the software tester has to right click run as Java application, has to run this particular code on different versions of the software that I'll explain later. For now, I'm running it. Right click run means the program will run. Just observe the screen, guys. Okay. I've started running the code. What's happening? Did I open the browser? No. Automatically it got opened. Automatically it got maximized. Automatically the URL got typed. Automatically HP text got typed. Automatically search button got clicked. Automatically the product verification will be done here. You see what is the output? Test passed is the output, right? Yes. TP. Type TP in the chat. The output TP. Test passed. That means the HP product is coming in the search results. Okay. Great. Keep the activity going, guys. Okay, that will register in your mind whatever I'm explaining. Let's make the sessions more interactive, more and more interactive. Otherwise, you'll become dull for a period of time.
We are seeing some warning like everyone. So what is the warning looks?
Don't worry about that warning. It's not a real warning. Okay, it's a normal text that is coming. Don't worry about that. Okay. You can actually disable this also, but if it is coming also, there's no problem. Okay, it's not like an error. It happens in Selenium automation. There is no problem in this. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Clear.
Great. So for now, let's focus on the automation testing part I was explaining here for you. How can a tool perform testing by itself? The answer is no. Testers have to write some coding and put the developed code into the automation tool. And the automation tool will then run the code to perform the testing with the help of the code that is developed by the testers. Now it's clear, right? How the automation tool can perform testing? By itself or with the help of testers? With the help of testers, right? With the help of testers, it will perform the testing. Great. So we are going to learn everything, guys. How to write this code, how to put this code, everything we are going to learn in the coming days. That is our target. Okay. So now let's go to the next topic. Selenium. Selenium in simple terms is a test automation tool. I told you, right? There are several test automation tools here. Selenium is one such kind of tool. So let's see whether this link has been opened or not. Yesterday I got a message. I'll show you some popular test automation tools that are there in the market. Okay, I got an email, I guess. Kind of slow, fine. One minute, guys. Yesterday itself, I got one, yeah, this is the article. Top 10 automation testing tools in 2024. Some people have approached me that saying that we are going to write an article for your website because my website already have a good number of views and all. This kind of people will come and, ask us to approve their articles and post them so that they'll get some backlinks and all. Don't worry about that. What's that and all. It's another way of marketing for them. So you can see, but our focus should be on this. In this article, you can see the tool. Someone has already typed Catalan Studio, right? You see Catalan Studio is there. Then Selenium is there. Appium is there. We already have typed. Ranorex is another tool that is there in the market. Cypress I have typed. Perfecto is another tool. Postman for API automation and all we can use. Tosca I have typed already. Test Complete I have typed already. Karate. framework and all. Okay, these are top 10 they are saying, but there are many other automation tools that are there in the market. Just for reference, I have opened that article, guys. Okay, similar to that, Selenium is one such kind of tool only. Is Selenium the only automation tool? Type Y if you say yes for this question. Is Selenium the only test automation tool that is there in the market? Type Y if you agree, or no, N or no if you say it's not correct. Yes, it's no, right? Selenium is only one of the tools, right? So Selenium in simple terms is what? Test automation tool. What is Selenium, guys? If someone asks you at this level of training, the answer for the question, if someone asks you what is Selenium at this point of training level, what is Selenium? What should be our answer? It is one of the test automation tools available in the market. In the market, it's one of the test automation tools that is there in the market. One of the I'm saying. Okay. So other words, what is Selenium? It's a test automation tool. Simple words. In simple words, it's a test automation tools. Test automation tool. Sorry. It's a test automation tool. 1 minute. Where is the? It's a test automation tool. Okay. Type of applications that Selenium can automate. What are the types of applications that Selenium can automate any type of application? The answer is no, guys. Okay. Next thing is type of applications that Selenium can automate. Types of applications. First of all, let's figure out what are the different type of applications that are there in the market. That's generally the software testers actually test. There are different type of applications. I'll explain them one by one. First one is web applications. Any application that runs on the browser is a web application. Okay. Coming to the first type of application is what, guys? Type WA, web application. Type WA in the chat, guys. WA. It is a web application. Yes. First type of application is web application. Just follow my sessions, guys, blindly. Okay, you will become zero to hero for sure. Okay. My intention is also same. It's not just about trainings, money, and all those stuff. It's behind, guys. Okay. I would like to create a network where positive momentum should be there. It's not just give and take kind of thing. You just paid some amount. I'm training you. It's not like that. Okay. I'm very passionate about what I'm doing. It's just behind your money and trainings. Okay. I want to make each and every one of you guys an expert in the software testing and automation field. At least I'll try to give you 2 years of experience with some real-time knowledge of application by the end of the course. Okay. I want you to be at that level. I want to prepare you guys like that. This is what my intentions are. Okay. It's beyond money, guys. Okay. So be interactive, do whatever I say. Okay. Don't think about just training. These are beyond trainings I'm trying to do. Web application. Type of applications are what? Web application. So any application, for example, if I type flipkart.com, if I say flipkart.com here, sorry, let me close this. It's here I'll type flipkart.com. So the moment I run this URL in this browser, when the moment I run this URL in this browser, the application is launching, right? Where the application is running? In the browser or not? Or in your desktop it is running? Is this application running on the browser or not? One of the browsers or not? Yes or no? Yes, type B. Right, correct. Good. Type B, guys, if it is browser. Any application that runs on a browser is nothing but what? What is the answer, guys? Any application that runs on a browser is nothing but WA, web application. Right, correct. So these is what the basics you need to know. Other type of application can be, you can take flipkart.com, amazon.in, any URL application, msn.in. Okay. All are web applications. What about desktop application? Desktop application. Desktop application means any application that runs on your computer machine directly on your operating system. For example, if I open this is a paint software, right? Guys, can you consider this as a paint software? It is a software or not? Paint is a software or not? Type yes if you agree. But this software is coming by default with Windows operating system. I don't have to install it, right? I don't have to install this paint software. It's coming by default. When I purchase this operating system and install this operating system in my machine, along with the operating system, I'm getting paint software. But is it the desktop application or web application? What do you say? Is it DA or WA? Type your answer in the chat. It's a desktop application, DA. It's not WA. It's DA, guys. Desktop application. It's a desktop application. Why? This application is directly running on the operating system, not on your browser. Hence, it's a desktop application. So, any other applications that are, running on the operating system? For example, this software, Eclipse IDE. Can you see on the screen this Eclipse IDE software? Is that is this a desktop application? Is Eclipse IDE software a desktop application? Type yes if you agree. It's running directly on your operating system. It's a desktop application, right? It's not running on the browser. This particular software is not running on your browser. Someone has developed this software for us. The developers of Eclipse IDE are there. Okay. Developers of Eclipse IDE are there who has developed this Eclipse IDE software, and I have downloaded the Eclipse IDE. I'll show you later, guys, how to download Eclipse IDE, how to install it, how to launch the Eclipse IDE, how to write the code inside Eclipse IDE. Later it will come. But this is nothing but a software which is running on the operating system, not on the browser. Hence, this paid software and Eclipse IDE are some examples of what? Desktop applications. Here, example is Flipkart, Flipkart.com. Here, desktop applications. Example is Eclipse IDE. And finally, we have mobile application also. Mobile application everyone knows because these days in this modern era where we are, living, right? Everyone has a mobile phone. Guys, type in the chat if you have a mobile phone with you. Yes. Why? Why or yes? You can type if you have a mobile phone with you. I want everyone to participate here in chat. This is very important. Yes, right. Everyone is having a mobile phone with you. So what are the different apps that you generally use, guys? Type any app name that you really like in your mobile phone or you use it more time. Type the name of the application, mobile application that you use mostly. Yeah, Gaurav is saying WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp is the number one. Correct, Gaurav. Other people also type Telegram. Someone is using Telegram like anything. Yeah, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Great. LinkedIn also application is there, right? YouTube application is there, right? Instagram application is there. Naukri application is there. Mobile application. Gmail application. Many applications we use. Google Pay, right? Google Pay day to day. Just go into the lane and start using the Google Pay like anything, right? For small things, 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee. Google Pay, Phone Pay, all UPI apps. Amazon for purchasing the order the items online. Amazon, Zepto to deliver the goods to your home in just few seconds. Zomato to order the food. Okay, Swiggy, Zomato, all these applications are there that we are using. Banking applications, we can use banking applications also. HDFC Bank application, right? Many applications are there. Good participation, guys. Yes, correct. Team applications and all for meetings and all. One example is WhatsApp. I'll take for now. Okay, WhatsApp application as an example. So the applications which we are installing from Google Play Store and launching in our mobile, whatever the mobile we are using, and using it for our purpose are nothing but mobile applications based. Okay, the applications which are running on the browser are web applications. The applications which are directly running on your operating systems of your laptops or machines are known as desktop applications. The applications which are installing and using in your mobile phone, smartphones or smart devices are known as mobile applications. But out of these three applications, which application Selenium can automate? Can Selenium automate web applications? Can Selenium automate desktop applications? Can Selenium automate mobile applications? Only this one. Only this one. Guys, type in the chat. Only web. Selenium can only automate what? Web applications. Selenium cannot automate desktop applications. Selenium cannot automate mobile applications. Only web applications Selenium can automate. Yes, right. Clear, right? Hope it got registered in your mind. Type of applications that Selenium can automate are web applications, applications which run on the browser. Example is msn.com, flipkart.com, amazon.in. Selenium cannot automate desktop applications or mobile applications. Okay. Selenium cannot automate desktop applications or mobile applications. The applications which don't run on the browser cannot be automated by Selenium. This is Skype desktop application, Adobe PDF Reader desktop application cannot be automated with the help of Selenium. Selenium can only automate web applications, that is applications which generally run on the browsers. Okay, clear. But is that a limitation? Is this particular thing a limitation for us? Do you think it's a very big problem for us? Because Selenium only automates web applications, the applications which run on the browser, but not desktop applications or mobile applications. Is that a problem to us? Is that a problem? Someone is saying yes, someone are saying no. Okay, mixed answers, that's fine. Problem. I'll say no problem mostly. Mostly no problem. I cannot directly say no problem. No problem most of the cases. Why? Because these days, 95% of the applications are which applications? These days, what applications people are using, guys? The mobile applications are there in the market. The web applications are there in the market. Desktop applications are there in the market. Which application is used most by us? Web applications or desktop applications or mobile applications? Mostly for day-to-day or needs and all. Yeah, mobile and web applications. But if there is an application, have a mobile application that has a web application also, right? Along with that, web application is also must. Web plus mobile, you can say. Answer is web plus mobile. Okay. 95% of the applications are web plus mobile. Web and mobile. Web, W plus M is the answer. Desktop applications very rare. So ruled out, no problem. If Selenium is unable to automate desktop applications, not a problem at all. Web applications is able to automate, but mobile applications, it's not able to automate. In case of mobile applications, we have to use a tool known as APM. What's the tool we have to use for automating mobile application? What tool we have to use for automating mobile application? APM. Type in the chat. The name of the tool, popular tool that is there in the market for automating mobile applications is APM. Everyone should register this thing in your mind. APM is the automation tool for automating mobile applications. Yes, web applications have a lot of features, guys. Mobile applications are, important features will be there in mobile app. Okay, if you want detailed application to use, you have to go for web applications in real time. Right, guys. So, small disadvantage is there where Selenium cannot automate mobile applications, but to the savior who has come, APM tool has come. So there is no problem at all. We'll use Selenium for web application automation. We'll use APM for mobile application automation. Desktop application you can ignore because 1% for 1% you don't have to break your head for now. Okay. So for learning Selenium automation part, if you focus on tools like Selenium and APM, that is all good. Okay. Your learning is done mostly. Fine. I'll say 95% no problem. Only 5% problem. That too in case of mobile, we have to go for APM. Selenium cannot automate mobile. That we can go for APM to do the automation. Okay. Okay. So no need to worry, guys. Because web application automation is mandatory. Do you think web application automation is mandatory? Right? Web applications are important, right? Web and mobile both are important. That means we have to automate web applications. It's kind of yes, right? We have to automate web applications for our testing purpose. We are using them like anything in day-to-day life. Web applications will have a lot of functionalities. compared to mobile applications. Detailed features will be there in web applications, whereas mobile applications will have limited features. So if you want to go with a limited version, we generally go with the mobile application. In our mobile, we'll do the tasks. Whereas if you want to check each and everything, we have to definitely go to the web application. Just compare, guys. Just compare HDFC mobile application with HDFC web application. This is a task. You can write this as a task, guys. Write down this as a task. You are going to compare. You are going to explore two things. Mobile application of HDFC, or otherwise we'll do one thing. Instead of HDFC, right, we'll take Amazon. Everyone uses Amazon, right? Compare Amazon.in web application with Amazon web mobile application. Amazon mobile application. Which tool for DA? We have several tools. We can go with UFT, test complete, etc. etc. A lot of tools are there. Okay. People either use UFT test complete, paid versions if required, but we'll explore that later. Okay. Let's not deviate much. So these are the popular tools for desktop application. Free are also there. Free tools are also there. We can find it out. Okay. Windrunner, some tools like Windrunner, which are free actually. Windrunner, which can automate the desktop applications for free. Okay, open source. So, have you taken the task, guys? Type yes. Type yes if you have taken the task. You are going to explore Amazon.in web application with and comparing it with Amazon mobile application. The task you have to do it. Okay, by this weekend, Sunday EOD, you have to complete. Okay, that's a task. So guys, we'll close the session. I think I have taken 10 more minutes extra. That's hope everyone is fine with that. I don't want to take it more. So guys, if you are in a hurry to go to office or something, you can leave this session, guys. No problem. Other people who are not worried about that can stay in the meeting and they can ask the doubts. Other people, so it's like that. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can stay here and ask me the doubts now. The remaining part of the session will be covered tomorrow. Only the people who want to ask me the doubts can stay in this meeting. The people who are who have to go to office and they are in a hurry burry, right? They can leave this meeting and then can go through the recordings. Okay. Yes, yes, Balu, you have to do the same thing. Amazon.in, compare with mobile and web applications. Okay, you have to explore both mobile and web of Amazon.in. Already in the task one, you have written down Amazon.in, right? You are now also exploring one more thing, that is Amazon application, mobile application. So anyone have any doubts, you can stay here.
Yes, sir. I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, like we have different like framework, right? Hybrid is there, and like BDD is there. So, sir, like end of the time, what to focus, sir? Like
Both,
test engine
everything,
is
everything. You see, from my experience, in one of my project, I have used hybrid, test engine hybrid framework with page object model, page factory. Their Cucumber was not there. Okay. In another project I have worked in my career, I was using Cucumber BDD. Got
why
any
so,
idea?
sir? Like why so, sir? Like why you are
It depends on
why
the application. You see, it depends on the application. Okay. For example, if you are testing, if you are automating e-commerce application, mostly BDD they will prefer for easy communication and all of the automation scripts.
okay, okay,
Okay. So if there
okay.
is some application which doesn't need that BDD thing, so much of explanation is not required. We'll go for the hybrid test ng page object model page factory framework. That you will understand later. Don't break your head now. So anyhow, once we go to the framework side, you'll get it. Okay, easily. No need to worry much.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Next question, please.
Arun,
Yeah.
I got a question. Like from migrating from manual testing to automation, I have this question. Like, is there is 100% automation possible? Because in the starting of the class, you said Microsoft have Playwright. No, so many new tools are coming in the
Yeah.
market. So
Yes.
is it
Yes.
will it replace manual completely? I mean,
No.
or little bit manual is needed always.
You see, no matter how many tools will come, they will not replace our brain, right?
Yes.
Because from my experience, I have worked as a software tester, right? It's be like I used to spend a lot of time, in testing the entire application. It used to take a lot of time for me to find out different paths in the application and try to identify the bugs in the software. That's not an easy task that automation tool can do. Automation tool is only there for automating the repeated tasks. Okay? The
Okay.
repeated tasks. Daily you are logging in. That can be automated. Logging out. That can be automated. Daily you are creating an account. That can be automated. Daily you are searching for a product. That can be automated. But it cannot innovate new ways. Automation tool cannot innovate new ways. We are the ones who are going to do that. Okay? Automation tool cannot apply the brain, right, to find out the defects in the software. Okay?
Okay.
Where, we have to just give the instructions and it has to do. So these days, people are working in agile sprints. We just have, 2 weeks of time to, get the things tested. Whatever the functionalities they will mention in that sprint, right? The 2 weeks of time frame that need to be tested thoroughly. Automation tool cannot do that in that amount of time. Someone has to write the automation scripts, they have to run it. It will take a lot of time, right?
Okay.
So we'll focus on that particular sprint and test that
So even though
functionalities.
you are saying to become an expert in automation tester, you need to be complete good in manual testing also.
Yes, both
Complete.
should be there. Both should be there. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You should be an expert in your goal should be two-way goals. I want to become an expert in manual testing. I want to become an expert in automation testing. Both will get you the benefits.
Okay. Okay.
Don't
A
just
small part of people are scaring like AI will overtake everything. AI.
you see, AI will make our job easy. You see, before calculator, people used to
Oh,
write the
yes.
calculations in a manual way, right? Like
Yes.
pen and paper, and they used to write that. Okay. Once calculator came, no one is writing that calculations, right? Okay, 5 + 4 9. Answer is coming in calculator. The same thing. We have to leverage that. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
But still, human brain is required. We have to do our part. We are here to run the business, guys. Okay, we are here to run the work. So with what tools and all, automation tools and all, which will make our job easy, is all a different story. Like AI tools are we going to use, or we are going to use automation tools. It's up to us. But ultimately, we are the ones who have to perform testing and take the responsibility of giving the results and all that AI tools and all the other tools cannot do.
Okay.
We have to approve the work, right? At least we have to approve the work. We have to decide whether the you see, if you go and type something in ChatGPT, sometimes it will give correct answers, sometimes it will give wrong answers. Who are there to decide then? We are the ones, right? Same thing here also. Tool cannot be right always. Okay. So then people are required still.
Okay.
Sir, one doubt is
Yeah.
there, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like while doing manual testing, right, sir? Hello?
Yeah. Yes, correct. Yeah, tell me.
So, so while doing manual testing, like few scenarios are there. Like, for example, like in my current application, um, for like we are like placing an order. At that time, like that, for it's an e-commerce application. So we have weight-based order and normal price-based order also is there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
weight-based is like for 1 kg to 10 kg. If it is coming between that weight, we are giving like 10 rupees. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now in that now that end user e-commerce, like now end user, like when he see the application, he will, when he placing that order, so if he is placing the order for like 2 kgs, that 10 rupees will come.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
So so now I am automating this thing. So how I will do, sir? Like in manually, I will see that okay, this product is like between this and the I am putting more value, so it should not exceed this. So while automating all, how we'll compare this? We have two applications. The weight based order I'm putting in admin page, and the output is I am seeing in web customer application. Like, so how we will do automation of these things, sir?
Okay. There, you mean to say there are two different applications? You mean to
Yeah.
say?
So for example, the product we are adding in admin page, and their weight and all those things. These settings we are doing in admin page, and customer will see only that product with the he can see only the product. So
Okay.
when he placing
There are
the
two
order,
ways
that
actually. There are two ways actually. You have to run two applications. Okay. You in automation we can run two applications also, not a problem. when you are performing automation using Selenium, right, there is a provision where you can run two applications also.
Okay.
In Selenium
Okay.
4,
So
that
now,
two commands got introduced, known as new window command. Just try it out.
okay.
New window
Okay.
command. Okay.
Okay.
So using that, right, you can open a new tab or new browser window, and in that open a new URL of that other application that you are talking about and automate the steps. Okay, that is one way. Okay.
Okay.
The other way is
Okay.
if just see if there is any API or something that your development team will give you so that you can run that APIs and get the output there itself just to confirm. Or if your team is
Okay.
asking visually, you have to verify everything, then go with the first approach only. If they're not worried about UI part, then go with UI plus API kind of stuff. It's up to you.
Okay.
Got the answer, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, you can automate multiple applications in a single scenario, a single automation script itself. So first open browser and open one of the application in one browser and open new browser window, and in that you type one other application. Okay. At a time, both the applications, both the windows you can automate. That provision is there in Selenium. See what works out for you. Okay. Okay, fine. Next, any other questions, guys? Guys, we have some more time left out. Any other questions? Hurry up, guys. If you have any questions, you can hurry up. If you don't have any questions, you can leave the meeting.
Yeah, hi Arun, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
So can we automate like if we are logging with remote desktop machines, there we have some application to automate. So can we automate that one also, or how it will be?
Remote desktop.
Yeah, I mean to say, yeah,
Can you explain more
remote
about
machine.
that remote desktop, whatever you are saying?
Yeah, for example, we need to log into client machine. There we
Okay.
have a application. Internally, we cannot access that.
Okay.
So can we automate that application? We need to
If that
first before.
application is running on the browser, you can do. If it is not running on the browser, you cannot do with Selenium. Is it running on
Okay.
the, even though that application is a remote application, is it running on the browser?
Yeah, it's running on the browser.
Then you can do it. You can give a try using Selenium
Okay.
and you can figure it out.
Mhm.
Okay. Simple thing is, simple answer for this kind of questions is, just first thing you have to check is whether that application, whether it may be remote or local, doesn't matter. If it is running on the browser, you can automate using
Okay.
Selenium. Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
That's
got it.
very
Yeah,
simple answer.
thanks.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, the reason why I'm asking, we need to connect to remote desktop, right?
Okay. You have to connect to
Yeah.
remote desktop before running the scripts, right?
Yeah,
So that's
yeah,
the
yeah.
thing you have to take care of. Okay. You have to first, before running the scripts, you have to connect to the remote desktop thing and then run the scripts. Got the idea?
You mean to say there we need to write the code?
No need to write the code. You can do it manually, right? First, connect to the remote desktop. You see, for a remote application to access, you may be having some software to connect it, right? VPN or something, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
So that
Yeah.
you do it manually for now, and after that you run the scripts.
Okay. Yeah.
Same way you do manual, right? First you connect to whatever the remote machine using VPN, etc. That you will do. After that you will run the you will do testing manually on the application, right?
Correct.
That manual part you are automating. Simple words. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Any other questions, guys?
Hi, sir. What kind
Yeah.
of applications do we test in a AppPM?
Mobile applications.
Mobile applications only,
Yes.
or websites too?
No. Mobile applications only. AppM is for mainly for mobile application. Even
And
Selenium can
is
automate
there
the mobile applications, but it's not recommended.
okay? And are there any automation tools for desktop applications?
Desktop applications, free tools, if you're talking about WinRunner is there. Otherwise, people generally use UFT or Test Runner. Test
Okay,
Complete,
sir.
sorry. Test Complete.
Okay.
So, WinRunner is a free tool. You can find it out, okay? So, but the only thing is that if you learn Selenium automation, right, okay, all the doors will be opened for you guys to explore more, okay? It's just the tools, right?
Okay.
You see, concepts will be same, just the tools are different. That's it. Okay. It will not take 1 week of time
Yes.
for you to prepare the tools. Okay. So that's how simple the tools are. So Selenium will open the doors for you like anything. So focus more on Selenium. Don't worry about desktop applications, mobile applications, automation and all. Focus only on Selenium for now. Once the course is completed, right? I'll give you the base where you can, where you can go and explore the different tools for yourself. Okay. That's how simple it will be. It's not a big deal.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Next question, please. We have 7 more minutes, guys. We'll just close the session by 8:30 max. Or if no questions, we can close it beforehand only. So if you have any questions, you can ask me still. I'll just wait.
Hi, sir.
Yes, right.
With Selenium, we can automate web applications, right?
Yes, right, correct.
So, if you want to do Windows applications, what we need to learn instead of Java and
So
instead
there's
of
something like
Selenium?
WinRunner.
What, sir?
I'm typing on the screen. You can see WinRunner automation tool.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just taking you there. You can figure it out what it is expecting. Okay. So a lot of tools are there in the market, right? So you have to go one by one tool like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So no need to worry much because these days Windows or desktop applications, right? They are not much actually. Okay.
Oh.
No need to worry about automating such kind of desktop applications. I understand that web applications is the #1 priority these days for automation. Second priority will go for mobile applications. Okay. For that APM tool is there. So if you want to learn about WinRunner and all, you just have an idea. Just go through the Google and search it out. You'll get it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Bye, sir.
So 1 minute. Let me see what is here.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, can we use JavaScript for mobile applications?
APM actually uses Java only. For automatic mobile applications in APM, we are going to use same Java that we are using in Selenium tool for automatic web applications. Okay. So once you learn Java one time for Selenium, right? You don't have to learn it again for APM, right? It's already there, right?
Okay, sir.
You just have to learn the tool. That's it.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay. I'll just figure it out, guys. Okay, Windows application, what exactly it needs and all. Okay.
Sir, one more doubt. Is APM is an open source tool?
Yes, it's open source and free. Similar to Selenium, it's also open source and free.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. Good doubts, guys. Keep going like the same way. Ask me the doubts as much as possible. That's very good. You guys are showing a lot of interest. That proves that this questions all proves that you are having a lot of interest in learning Selenium and mastering it. Always welcome such kind of questions. Okay. So just I'm just having a lot of cold, guys. Hope you are able to understand me. Okay. So my nose got blocked a bit, but still I'm trying my level best. So once this goes off, right, we will be at another level. Okay, for sure. Okay, any other questions, guys? Two more minutes. 2 more minutes for the session to over. If you have any questions, you can ask me right away. Just last 2 minutes left out for your questions. Okay. One more minute. Yes, I'll cover. Shivakumar, I'll cover both HTML and JavaScript also. Okay, don't worry. You don't have to learn anything, guys. Okay, whatever I'm saying, just blindly follow. I'll give you the activities, assignments, and all. Okay, in the coming days. Just follow whatever I'm teaching. Focus only on whatever I'm teaching. Okay. So all the things are in place. Okay, all the prerequisites will be covered. HTML, JavaScript, Java, everything will be there. Okay, don't worry. I'll cover. For now, exploring the applications is very important for you guys. Okay. All the activities I gave you today, try to complete by this weekend, Sunday EOD. I gave a lot of time also, but I'm not going to track that. It's up to you. Okay, still. Okay. Yeah, I'm on it, Shivkumar. I have to discuss with my team, okay, to create another group and all, okay. That may happen soon, okay. Just we are going step by step. Things may not happen in a day. Just wait for that. You try to remind me, no problem. You can try. You try to remind me every day, okay, regarding this, okay. We may forget also, so better remind me. They are thinking about assignments now. So how to give you some assignments and all we are thinking. So we'll take everything into place in few days, okay. Fine. So Windrunner has its own language known as test script language, guys. Okay, for desktop application automation, we can use Windrunner tool, which is open source, similar to Selenium and Appium, and it has its own language. It seems test script language using which we can automate. Okay, so that's fine. Let's not worry about that. Desktop applications are very rare to encounter, so that for 5% you don't have to, or 1% to 5% you don't have to break your heads. Okay, we'll focus more on web application only, and with that knowledge you can also learn. Sure, I'll share the Evernote notes also, don't worry. Okay. Yes, you can follow Shivkumar. Okay, you are free to go anywhere and learn more also. Okay, you can follow my YouTube channel also. Whatever the things I teach you, right? Later you can revise, repeat, learn more. Okay, from my YouTube videos and all. Okay, these live sessions are will make you very active and will make you focused on learning stuff. Okay, a lot of things will get into your brain with the help of live trainings. But later, right, it's your part to revise, rewind, and all those stuff. Okay, relearn and all those things. Okay, you are feel free to do that. No problem. I'll share the notes and recording of the today's session in the Telegram group and activities. Some small message I'll put about activity that I have given you. So we'll go forward then. So that's all for today, guys. Nice talking to you all. Bye, everyone. Type B in the chat and leave the meeting. Final word, B or bye. And just leave the meeting,
Thank you,
please.
sir.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Okay, fine.